Hi friends, welcome to A to Z Learning channel. Right now, there is a season of new IPOs going on. Barely a week goes by without any new initial public offering from any of the company. You will be surprised that 21 is probably already the year of IPO. It has received far too many IPOs already, and we are only in the third month of this year. You won't believe, next week you have the option of subscribing to 6 different IPOs. It's too much choice. I think upfront, I would say that people are really positive about the equity market. Equity markets are at all-time high level. Every single IPO is getting huge subscription. Therefore, every company which is looking to raise money is entering into the market through IPO route and raising money for their needs. This is also kind of time when you need to be very cautious because this is the time when there is so much positive momentum, a lot of underperforming, suboptimal setups, mediocre companies will also enter into the market and encash the positive momentum that is there in the market. So in this video, we will help you understand these 6 IPO that are hitting the market over the course of next week so that you can make an informed choice of either applying for these IPO or completely avoiding it. So we hope it's going to be a helpful video for you. We would look forward to your comments. In terms, if you like our content, please press the like button and share our video. If you have any suggestions, then please do let us know those suggestions through the comments. So without further ado, let's start our video. We have this time we have changed the structure of our IPO videos. Normally we go in like greater detail to help you understand all aspects of an individual company. Given the scale of the IPO this week, we are straight away jumping into our proprietary assessment metrics, which is a 5-point assessment metrics through which we kind of review and assess every single company which is hitting the market with the objective to raise money so that we can give you a simple view in terms of whether we will be looking to invest in the IPO or not. Are we going to be looking at investing purely from a listing gain perspective or from a long-term perspective? We will share all that with you and why we are doing what we are doing so that you can understand completely what is happening, what is the kind of IPO strength or weakness, so that you can make an informed choice for your own investment decisions. So as I said, there are 6 companies, so it's going to be a slightly longer video, but we'll try to kind of do it as fast as possible. So a quick introduction in terms of the companies that are hitting the IPO market. First one is the Anupam Rasayan. This company was incorporated in 1984 and it is based in Surat. They are one of the leading manufacturer of specialty chemicals in India. Their business has 2 verticals: life sciences vertical, where they do the specialty chemical that are used for agrochemical and personal care and pharmaceutical, and the other specialty chemical is basically used for dyes and polymer additives, etc. They have long-term partnership in business with the Asia-based company, and they have got key clienteles like Sumitomo and UPL Limited. They supply their product to outside India as well. So US, Japan, and Europe are their kind of key markets. So it's a big company, and their IPO has already opened. It opened on last Friday on 12th, and it will remain open till Tuesday, which is 16th of March. The second company that's kind of coming with the IPO is called Lakshmi Organic. It was incorporated in 1989 and it's a Maharashtra-based company. It's also a manufacturer of specialty chemical. They are one of the leading manufacturer of ethyl acetate with 30% of market share and only manufacturer of Dictin derivatives in India. So they've got quite unique product portfolio. They are also exporting to number of markets. They export to close to, I think, 30 countries, which include countries like Singapore, UK, US, Netherlands, China, Russia, UAE. So they have got a widespread footprint in terms of export market. They've got two manufacturing facilities, both are in Maharashtra. The third company which is going to be hitting the IPO market is Kalyan Jewellers. The company is planning to raise around 1,175 crore through IPO. It is one of the biggest gold retailer in India and worldwide. It was incorporated back in 1908, so it's a 100-year-old company. It started their business in Kerala. They're still based in Kerala. Um, and Kalyan Group is currently doing business in 5 countries, having around 750 My Kalyan stores in India. So they've got big distribution network. They've recently launched their online brand also called Candair by Kalyan Jewellers, and they are one of the largest and fastest growing gold company in the country. The fourth company is called Nazara Technologies. It's a very interesting company. It's going to be hitting the market on 17th of March and the issue will remain open till 19th of March. It's a relatively speaking new company, only about 20 years old company. So, and they are based in Mumbai. They're one of the leading mobile game development companies in India. They're engaged in the development as well as distribution of mobile games in India, Africa, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and Latin America. They've got different revenue model. They've got subscription-based system. They have got premium business and esports business. They've got number of really popular games. The three that I personally really like are Candy Crush, Subway Surfer, and Temple Run. They're all kind of very popular games in their segment. The fifth company that is hitting the IPO market is called Craftsman Automation. Their IPO date is finalized as 15th of March and IPO will close on 17th. And the company was incorporated in 1986 in Coimbatore. They're leader in precision manufacturing. They're leading manufacturer of precision components. They operate in 3 segments: automotive powertrain and others, automotive aluminum product, and industrial and engineering. They've got strong clientele. So most of the kind of leading automobile companies like Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, Ashok Leyland, your Royal Enfield, they're all their kind of clients. So they've got a very good, very strong clientele. Then the last company that is hitting the IPO market is called Suryoday Small Finance Bank. It's coming up with their IPO opening on 17th March and it will remain open till 19th March. It's a bank. It's a small bank. It's based in Mumbai and it's planning to raise about just under 600 crore via IPO. It was incorporated in 2008, so just about 13-year-old bank. It's based in Mumbai, and they are one of the leading small finance banks in India. They serve their customers from unbanked and unbanked segment, underbanked segment. So they're basically looking at the clientele which currently doesn't have a bank account, or they have got a very limited banking relation. They operate from 10 different states and serving close to 1.25 million customers. They are in microfinance space. So they provide like consumer and corporate loans, so like shopkeeper loans is very popular. They're also offering digital banking, payment systems, and mobile technologies, and also they've got traditional channels of banking too. It's a comparable bank to like Equitas Small Bank, Ujjain Bank, those sort of banks. So it's again one of those bank which will be helping us provide the banking products to people and the shopkeepers who are currently unserved by the big banks like HDFC, ICICI, and so on. So that's the kind of brief history in terms of the six company that are hitting the IPO market next week. They pretty much over the course of next 5, 6 working day, they will be all done and dusted. So you'll have to kind of keep significant amount of money aside if you're looking to invest in these IPO, because within a week you'll have to apply for all these. So a lot of money will get blocked, and if you're lucky enough, then of course you will be subject to listing gain and long-term investment. So we've applied our 5-point proprietary assessment metrics and given the rating. So there are clearly two companies which are stand out in our assessment. Lakshmi Organic, which is completely green, and same way Suryoday small bank is a completely green across all parameters. So they are strong tick from our perspective, whether you're looking for listing gain or long-term investment. They both look very, very good investment. Other than these two companies, the third, my favorite is Nazara Technologies. It's a gaming company, as I mentioned. It has got great portfolio and some marquee investor. Mr. Rakesh Chunchunwala is also one of the kind of early investor. And the good part is because Nazara Technology will have offer for sale component, number of other kind of promoters are selling their holding, but Mr. Chunchunwala is going to keep the holding as is, so he's not selling anything. So that says quite a lot that he's still very bullish on the future of this company. So again, Nazara Technology, from my perspective, is a big tick for both listing gain as well as long-term investment. Other than this, I think Craftsman Automation is a question mark for me. They've made losses in the recent past. They also have got bad cash flow position. So that's the reason they look quite a lot of amber for us. So I'm not sure whether I'll be investing in Craftsman Automations. So that's the reason there's a question mark. Similarly, uh, I'm okay. I'll be looking to invest in both Anupam Rasayan, Kalyan Jewellers, um, for listing gain, but I'm not sure about long-term investment and staying invested for a long-term purposes in that. So that's a very quick and rough assessment on all the six companies. Clearly, Lakshmi Organic, Nazara Technologies, Suryoday Small Bank are my personal favorite, and I'll be investing in those companies. And for listing gain, you could also consider Anupam Rasayan and Kalyan Jewellers. But Craftsman Automation at this point in time is a big no. If based on subscription I change my mind, I have a different view, I'll let you know through the comments near the time, as issue is opening only on Monday. So by Tuesday, 16th of March, I may have a better view in terms of the subscription levels. But as of now, looking at fundamentals, I'm not going to be investing in Craftsman Automations. So we hope you like this video. If you like the video, then please press the like button and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any suggestion or comments on our video, then also please do let us know through the comments. We will look forward to your suggestions, look forward to your comments. And if you've not yet subscribed our channel A to Z Learning, we would urge you to please subscribe our channel and become part of our viewers family. Thank you very much for watching our video, and good luck with your investment decisions. Thank you.